Brings me to the next question. What business segments can your products be sold into that they fit well within?
Sure, that's a great question, James. Essentially, Essex products are designed for virtually any door access control application. So they can really be used in all segments that Grainger focuses on. And whether it's a smaller single door application, medium, large business facilities and that with many access points, Essex provides a number of both touch as well as touchless devices that meet these various size facilities. Looking at the slide, healthcare at the top is one of our top vertical markets for Grainger. In terms of Essex products, our keypads, card readers, and switches are being installed. Particularly post-COVID here, during COVID, with across healthcare facilities, throughout the U.S. In addition, we have exposure with our products in terms of government and military applications. And, essentially, because we are focused on, access control, the peripheral, products that are used around a door, they really fit all segments, including hospitality, education, manufacturing, and even branch into, some of the others, property management and the multifamily projects that come up.
Great. And if I remember correctly, you mentioned that there is a product that all of the U.S. military recruitment centers use. Can you talk a little bit more about that before we move on?
Sure, absolutely. So, yeah, one of our self-contained keypads, it's our SKE26 series, has been specified for all the U.S. military recruitment centers. They selected this product primarily because it's a U.S. manufactured product, but also because of the reliability of the product, the features that they were looking for. So it's used not only for their application, but it meets many of the other segments in terms of access control.
Great. Now, stemming off a little bit more with that, where are specific locations that you can find Essex products located in?
Sure, James. So this list shows some of the more, high-profile, notable installations for Essex products. So, of course, the government, the White House, Pentagon, FBI headquarters. But one that I will also add. In terms of the correctional facilities, Essex products are used in jails, correctional facilities, due to their vandal resistance, ligature resistant aspect of the product. In fact, a number of years ago, we were contacted by Correctional Service of Canada to design a card reader that was used a little bit different than traditional access control, but it was used in conjunction with a guard tour system within the prison. And the reason they selected it, they had the traditional handheld wand system that's typically used for guard tour. There was a suicide in one of the inmate cells, and the guard who had not made his rounds took the wand, threw it in a microwave, and zapped all the audit trail off of it. So the government got involved and said, no, we need a more foolproof system. So we took our what we call our RoxProx reader, and we put an IP back end on it as a communication device in terms of guard tours. So, additionally, international airports have used our products, particularly the combination keypad card readers to restrict access into secured areas. In the hospitality industry, notably Bellagio and Mirage. A number of years ago, Steve Wynn became aware of Essex keypads. In fact, that one that you showed earlier on your slide of the Ocean's 11, that keypad he standardized within his properties to use in terms of access control. So a number of different installations utilizing our products. But I would like to focus on this last bullet, that in the wake of the anniversary of September 11th, 20th anniversary that's coming up, I'd like to mention briefly about that. So post 9/11, Essex was appointed to design and manufacture a custom keypad that was used to secure the cockpit doors on commercial aircraft. And Essex manufactured over 8,000 of these keypads for Airbus to use to retrofit essentially their entire fleet. Now, this keypad uses the same piezoelectric technology as our standard keypads and switches, but it's nice that Essex was able to contribute to a product that provides safety in that type of application.
That's great to hear that you guys are adaptable to being able to make new products for new needs that are out there. Obviously, hope that nothing like that ever happens again, here on our soil or anywhere really for that matter. But that's great to hear that you were designing and manufacturing this new piece that is being used in aircraft to help protect people.